Hi guys, this is pencil calligraphy. I am doing with the sketch pens in order to show you clearly on the camera. Now this is just one sec. This is letter L which I am showing you. First I am showing you the parts and then I will show you how to do it. It is like C and then there is a curve and then there is capital I. You are supposed to join all the three and seal the edges. So this is the way L will look like. So this is letter L. I hope you all got it. Once again I'll show you. This is the way it will be. You are forming a C in the starting, then this is the curve which you are joining, and then it is capital I. So up and it goes like this and seal the edges. Now we begin with letter M. Let me do it. Just see what I am doing and then I'll explain you. Now this is a fat line, this is a thin line, then this is a standing line, then a thin line again, then a standing fat line, and then a curve in the end. So guys, normally when we do M, seal the edges, we tend to do, even I tend to do is like this and like this. So this is wrong. It has to be straight. This again, when we go up, it has to be straight and not like this. This is wrong. So the lines, remember, they are straight. It is blunt here, but it is pointed here and here. If you see that into mine, it will automatically come proper. Now we begin with the letter N. Just see the formation first, then I'll explain you. This is the formation of letter N. If you can see this side, this is almost like an F. So this is the fat line, this is sleeping line, then this is thin, standing, thin, and a curve which goes from here to here, and then seal the edges. Now remember that we have to take the fat line from here and not from here. It has to come from down and not from top. Then it is thin, standing, and again thin line which is going to be joined. I am showing you in parts, so it is not coming proper. Otherwise you have to see this two have to be in level. And then it is a sleeping line which will come from here to here and again seal the edges. So this is forms your N. Now next letter is letter O, which we have done it so many times. So I think by now you all know it. You can do it like this or you can do it in two parts like this, and you can split it like this and join the parts. You know that it is going to be thin line both the sides, opposite sides. We start with the letter P. It's a fat line, thin line, and a curve. Seal the edge. Again up, it's a thin line and a curve. Seal the edge again. Then here it is a reverse C. So guys, I'll show you the breakup. first it is a standing line, then it is a thin line, then it goes as a curve, and then you seal the edges up. It is a thin line and a curve, not this one, and seal the edge. Then it is an opposite C. I hope you all got it, guys. Now we will do it once again, the same thing. See, it is thin line and a curve, and this is not that proper, it is like this. Since I have clubbed into one, the P is here, perfect. Now we go to the next letter, which is R, and R and P are almost the same, but there is a difference. I will show you that. It's a standing line, a thin line, a curve, seal the edge, again a thin line and a curve, seal the edge. Then here it is a thin line. So the difference between P and R, basically this is a C only, but here it goes into a thin line and then it is a curve, thick curve in the end. You have to see these two I have made difference, but there is not going to be a difference, they are going to be almost the same. I'll do it once again to show you. See, so these two have to be almost the same. The size matters in calligraphy, so remember that.
So guys, that's it for today. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and click the bell icon to get notifications on every new video we make. Thank you
For watching.